Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside the box completed by default. So first we can see here the Type-C Google original cable, and also get here the adapter to this to our device to use some USB cables here. So the USB adapter, the Type-C Google cable, and also here we got the some of papers work here, and the SIM tool just to remove or add the SIM card to our Google Pixel 6. So that's the all accessories inside the box of our device, and that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.